Welcome to the Gutter Guard Direct Solar Mesh Kit installation video. Before you begin installation, please make sure that your kit includes 30 meters of rolled mesh, 100 nylon clips, 100 nylon washers, and 20 cable ties. Begin by unrolling a section of the mesh, parallel to your panel. Position the mesh so that the top of the mesh is aligned with the upper edge of the solar panel. Insert the clip through the mesh and anchor it on the underside lip of the panel frame. Slide a washer down the length of the clip and tension till the mesh is snug against the side of the panel. At this point you can cut off the excess clip or wait till you have completed installation. Repeat this process of inserting the clips at regular intervals as you move down the length of the panel. Should you need to join two sections of mesh together, or you are completing your solar mesh installation, first ensure there is an overlap between the two sections of mesh. Once you have achieved an overlap, insert a clip through both sections of mesh to secure them in place. Finish the join by using cable ties as well. When you come to an outside corner, cut up the mesh to allow for a bend around the corner of the solar panel. Once bent, secure the mesh in place with a nylon clip. This will have created a potential access point, so it is important to place a spare piece of mesh over the cutting at roof level and secure in place with cable ties. Similarly, with an internal corner, cut up the length of mesh to allow for a bend. Secure the mesh in place on both sides of the corner using nylon clips. Once the mesh has been folded and is resting on the roof, use zip ties to securely bring together the now overlapped sections of mesh. Most solar panels will have a mounting system, and it is important to ensure the mesh fits snugly around the footing. This can be accomplished by cutting away three sides of the mesh before positioning it against the panel's edge. Once the cutout has been created, secure the mesh in place with a nylon clip on either side of the footing. Repeat this process until all sides of your solar panel installation is safely protected by Gutter Guard Direct Solar Mesh. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our operations team. Thanks again for shopping with Gutter Guard Direct.